Hi, I am Poh-Tai. This is the unboxing of USB 3.2 20GB 50cm cable. Cable over here, USB 3.2 20GB 50cm. Unlike some premium USB cables, the ORICO USB 3.2 cable is stored in a clear plastic bag. Let's open the packaging and see what's inside it. To avoid damaging the USB-C connectors, those connectors are protected by caps. Let's remove the cable tie and remember to keep it, as it would be handy when you want to store away the cable. The cable looks thicker and heavier than a normal USB 3.2 Gen 2 cable. In the meantime, let me zoom out a little bit so that you'll be able to see the whole cable. Let me grab the measure tape to measure the length of the USB 3.2 cable. As you can see, the measured length of the cable is around 50 centimeters, which is the same as the advertised cable length. Then, we want to verify whether the cable is a USB 3.2 Gen 2 x 2, which has 20 Gbps speed, or a USB 3.2 Gen 2, which has 10 Gbps speed. As you can see on the screen, the speed of this cable is 20 Gbps, which is the speed of USB 3.2 Gen 2 x 2. Let's see the other end of the cable and see whether it shows 20 Gbps or not. Yes, 20 Gbps is written on the USB 3.2 connector. So now we know that this ORICO cable is actually a USB 3.2 Gen 2 x 2 cable. The USB connection is USB-C to USB-C. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.